Stephen Finch, Sally Langston, Quinn Perkins, Hollis Doyle, Jake Ballard, Charlie, Huck, First Lady Mellie Grant, Olivia Pope, Whelan, Senator Edison Davis, Vice President Andrew Nichols, President Fitzgerald Grant, David Rosen, Maya Lewis, Franklin Russell, Cyrus Beene, Rowan Pope.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.